let's talk about kissing. Okay, it's why I put on red lipstick for this.
Okay guys, when you're going in for the kiss, just make sure you don't miss her face. I've had that happen a couple times.
Like, not like that's kind of boring. That's like kissing someone on the cheek or something.
If he's a bad kisser, if he slobbers all over my face, or he thrusts his tongue into my mouth, or he does any other crazy shit, I don't want to associate with this person. I don't want to go home with him.
Don't go all tongue all in. In fact, there shouldn't really be any tongue on the first kiss, okay? Maybe the second kiss or the third kiss.
When you are first kissing somebody, there is no need to go like full in for the kill, like full on tongue or anything.
Rules of garlic: when you date, make sure you've both had the same amount so that it cancels each other out.
A bad first kiss I've had was when like the guy clearly just wasn't reading my body language. Like, he still tried to kiss me, and you know, that wasn't, I was like, no thank you.
I've been on a date with this guy once, and I really liked him. We had a fun, really cool conversation. We had so much in common. However, he didn't really get it, and then when we were about to kiss each other, he stopped. He was like, "Can I kiss you?" And in my head, it was just like explosions, like, why? Why would you ask that?
When a guy like pushes your hair back and kind of like touches your face and like then leans in to kiss you or like grabs you or something like that, like I totally love that. All girls love that. Oh my gosh, I want more. Like, I want way more of those kisses.
Made her wait for it, okay?
By cupping her face or grabbing her chin just lightly, it shows that you are commanding attention, that she's the object of your desire.
Simple is best. When it comes to the first kiss, you know, just a light, soft kiss is so romantic, but also so appropriate.
And this is where it's key, guys. I want to make sure that if you want to be a great kisser and if you want to make the first kiss something awesome, that you don't rush it.
You just want to make sure that before you kiss her, you already established the emotional connection with her. You want to make sure she already wants it.
Really like sensual and like kind of create tension, like want more.
You start with first touching her bottom lip first, and then you go, then you move forward onto the top lip as first.
Be sweet about it, like it doesn't have to be a very intense thing.
Go for the first kiss like a man.
Okay, don't give her everything at once. Leave her wanting more.
Hey man, before I let you get back to this video, hit that subscribe button down below because I have a lot of awesome videos coming out that I'm really excited about and I don't want you to miss a thing. And hit that bell notification icon as well so you're always notified about upcoming videos. Alright, let's get back to it.
The first moment when you feel that a girl is ready to kiss you is not the moment when you're supposed to kiss her.
Of course the guy should initiate the first kiss. In what fairy tale did you see the woman making the first kiss?
I don't think you should kiss her straight away. I think that there should definitely be a good lot of conversation, you know, some flirting going on.
I think that a guy should kiss a girl when it feels natural in the conversation.
Read her body language, see if she's actually wanting to be kissed. And you'll know this because she'll start to draw attention to her mouth, whether she's licking her lips, whether she's biting her bottom lip, or whether she's actually staring at your mouth as well, okay?
You know, saying goodnight and then giving her like a light kiss, I think is very romantic and very sweet. A great way to approach kissing the first time.
You have good eye contact with her. She laughs at all of your jokes. She leans into you when you're talking. And when you touch her, she doesn't flinch, you move away. And all those signs that tell you that this girl likes you and you can kiss her.
Definitely the guy. If the woman ends it, it's not probably a good sign.
Feel it out, whatever seems natural.
I personally think that the girl should end the kiss first. I think the guy should let the girl take the reins on that one and be the one to pull away first and, you know, follow her lead there.
End the kiss before she's had enough of it.
Is you don't give her too much in the beginning and then you end it first so that she's still wanting more.
Like if you don't feel comfortable kissing her anymore and you feel like you're ready for the kiss to stop, I think you know, 100% stop kissing.
Now you might want to pull back just like a couple of centimeters and look down and see her like obviously panting for more, and then you go in again, and then that second kiss might be a little bit of a deeper kiss. Oh my gosh, it's getting hot in here. Talking about all this kissing. Where's my man? I need to go kiss him. Not too long. The first kiss shouldn't be too long. Again, it's about teasing her, seeing how she responds, and getting her to want her more.
But, you know, the first one should just be kind of short and sweet, but not just like a peck.
But the first kiss is really just getting to know each other kiss.
I think it's better to have 2 kisses instead of 1 long kiss.
I don't believe that a first kiss should be very long. I don't think it should be super hot and heavy. I don't think it needs to be a 45-minute makeout session.
My man, okay, here's a little bit of a story for you guys. He didn't kiss me for 2 weeks. Now, because he's French, he'd always do the kiss, you know, he actually does it 3 times because of the region he's from. And I was always like, would you just kiss me? And he didn't, because he knew that he wanted to court me. He wanted to show me that I was special, that I wasn't just any other girl. And when he finally kissed me, it was so much anticipation. It was so worth it. And, you know, he did it in such a sensual way that it wasn't all tongue first, and he was able to pull back and then go in for some more. That made it really special.
A couple of seconds, and that's really gonna make her want more, and it's gonna, I don't know, it's definitely memorable.
And kind of leave her with a taste of your skills, and leave some to the imagination, if you will. I think that that's super sexy for guys to do.
Think of kissing as an art. Think of it as one of your weapons, guys. Use it to your advantage, and the best way to do that is to take your time with it and really master the art of kissing by seeing what her response is and thinking about how you can kiss her in the most sensual way possible. There is nothing better than a good kiss. Now, of course, you want to make sure that the date is constantly progressing to a level where it's getting beyond platonic, where you're able to feed that chemistry, where you're able to show that you can take control and make a decision and lead the relationship or the date in the way that you want it to go. Well, if you want to know how to do that effectively, then I suggest that you stop right now and you download our escalation cheat sheet. This escalation cheat sheet that Matt put together is actually really awesome, because what it does is it helps give you strategies and know what to say and what to do to take it from platonic to chemistry next level. All you need to do to download that is simply click the image at the bottom of this screen. And don't forget that there is a link in the bio as well. And you know what? Don't just download it and like have it sit there. Actually read it, and read it before you go on a date, so that when you're going on a date, you do have a bit of a plan. You've got more confidence to know what to do if a certain situation arises. And once again, so that you can actually accelerate the date in the direction that you want it to go. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Renee Slansky for the Attractive Man team. Alright, until next time, bye for now.